Hello everybody, welcome back. It's your boy Mr. Green Hands. I'm out here. Yes, it's cold, but think about this. What would you be doing to get your garden ready? And this is the perfect time to do it, in winter. Hello everybody. Winter is the greatest time for me as the person that's in a zone that does get frost and cold. Get your garden ready for winter. You might be thinking, why am I out here? It is cold, it's dark, it's depressing, but your garden won't be ready for the spring. So these are the things that I've been doing to get my garden ready for spring. So what I've done so far, one of the first things that I got the chance to do when it arrived was relay my wood chip onto the garden, all around a fresh bed of wood chip that is going to break down and add value to my soil all the way around. And in fact, I decided to do the whole garden that I have here with wood chip. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's wood chip here. I got even a bigger pile today. We're going to talk about that in a second. Look at that, wood chip everywhere. All my beds have wood chip all the way around it, and that will break down and that will get my soil fertile enough that I might not even need. I might not even need to add anything. I'm going to watch my plants. I'm going to have a look at them and make sure, keep an eye, because the plants will tell you when your soil has some lacking in it. It's not just about just kind of like put it in there and forget it. No, your plants will tell you. So I think my soil is good. The reason why you know that, I have vegetables in it. Some of them are not even supposed to be here. We've got hit by frost and they're not supposed to be here. Some broccolis are put it on broccoli in winter. That's not supposed to be happening. This is a sprouting broccoli. This is supposed to be in spring, but I don't know what's going on. I love it. It's fine. I'm still having it. And that's been through a frost. So my soil is doing really good. And I don't care. The garden is amazing. I find it's amazing. So yeah, having the wood chip all the way around, you guys can see it. It literally helps to feed the garden throughout the year. And I ain't gonna put no more fertilizer because this is gonna do its job. I've topped up the beds already, it's fine. And that's another thing as well. Stop leaving your beds empty. Get out there in the cold and either you plant some garlic in it, because garlic are cold hardy. They need that 3 months of cold to produce a bulb later on down the year. Don't leave it till spring. If you're in a hot climate, put it in the fridge for 6 weeks and then plant them out there. I am in a cold weather and I'm out here growing things. What is your excuse? You don't have an excuse if you're in a warm climates. Yeah, if you don't have land, that's a good excuse. But hey, there's a way. If there's a will, there's a way. Another thing, prepare your beds so you're ready. This might look like it's not ready, but all of these beds are ready to be planted in. They are ready to go. I'm getting ready for spring. Bars. That's not a bad bar still. I might want to write that one down, yeah. I might have to rewatch this section to actually even get that bars. My brain is all over the place, but it is what it is. But trust me, my garden beds are ready. They're active, they're activating, they're keeping themselves going because I've topped them up throughout just before the fall ended. I have some compost, up to about 3 inches of compost on top of them. So they're ready to go. And I'm keeping them active because if they're active, it's not losing its nourishment to the air. It's feeding the plants that's there. Keep your soil active. And this is the time, if it's winter, you cover them with either mulch, cover them with wood chip, whatever. Cover them so they don't lose everything. Even best, plant something in it that can grow in winter. For example, you could put the kale in autumn or end of summer. Plant some kale, plant some, maybe even try to grow some broccoli, some old brassicas, as long as they can provide enough time to grow, and then you harvest them before the winter comes in and the frost. But there are some cabbages, for example, there is a winter variety of cabbage that once you've planted it, you can harvest it. Winter is not just about the time to sit down and let your garden go to waste. It's to get out there and keep your garden active. Do the things that you didn't get to do in summer. You plan your stuff, because summer and spring is the time that you're supposed to be planting and harvesting certain things. Don't let your garden go to waste. Don't let your garden go to waste. No shady business. Let me show you. I am probably the only one here. I am the only one here right now. Yeah. And yeah, that's grass in the allotment. There is a few bits of grass in here, but majority of these are food. I'm still out here gardening. What's the excuse? Think about it. The next thing you're gonna have to do, guys, if you're out here, and this is the great time to do it, plan what things didn't work for you in the spring, in 24, and think about what can work for you, or maybe what plants you might want to try in 25. Not everything that you wanted to plant in 24 might have not happened. Maybe this is the time to get prepared, organize. If you can, I'm not the best at that, but this is a good opportunity to do that because you won't be out here planting much. Organize your time. Maybe buy things that you might be interested in. Yeah, Clear the beds, clear the beds, clear them out of things that don't need to be there. I still have some stuff to do. I have my corn in the back there. I need to get rid of that. I'm going to add that to my compost. There you go. Compost. Clear all the stuff that's there, cover them up, prepare them for the next growing season, and compost it. So you can do a full circle. So from everything. So like they said, from the garden to the table, from the garden to the compost, from the compost to the garden. Think about that. That's one activity that you can do. So there's no excuse. The only excuse I want to hear that is lightning and striking outside. Yeah? Or maybe there's a flood. Lightning and flood. Cold. Don't complain about it. Get out there and grow something. Go out there and do some stuff. Maybe you want to tidy up your allotment in your sheds. Yeah. This might be a rant. I don't really care how people take it. It's fine. Go out there. There's no excuse. It's cold. I'm out here. I'm always out here. This is where I find my peace of mind. And I always find something to do. Today, I came down here. Yeah. I came to my allotment. Yes, I am here. Obviously, you guys can see that. If I didn't come down here, no, I wouldn't be able to get this pile of wood chip. Because if I come back here, this would have disappeared. So I'm happy I'm out here. Because this here, down my hands, it's going to help my garden and other things that I have planned for it. I'm going to decompose some of them. I'm going to help them with it's going to help me with the water retention. It's going to help my soil even get better over time. So, because this is quite a big an allotment. So if I don't take it now, I might not be able to take it later. So yeah, that's one thing. And another thing, I'm happy I came. Compostable stuff. I got a pile of wood chip. Another pile, I've had plenty, but there's never enough wood chip. This is going to help my garden so much. And I'm happy I got it. So it comes in handy. Yeah, I don't care if I get dirty. It's fine. I'm out here, cold or not. And secondly, because I was pulling all this thing, I'm sweating like a runaway chipmunk underneath this coat now. It's cold outside, but I'm warm inside, so I'm feeling great. And I feel alive. I wouldn't be able to prune my trees if I didn't come to the allotment. Yes, it's winter, but I got stuff to do. There's things I want to do in winter. There is no excuses. Think about what seeds you want, how you want to organize your seeds. I need to work on that. Tidy up my shed, definitely. Why is it important to do so? So when it comes to the moment where spring is open, I am gun blazing. I'm ahead of this time, ahead of everything, because we all are so busy nowadays. Where we can find the time to do something in the garden is to get it all ready for that moment when you are out there. Because everybody's busy nowadays. Time is not waiting for no one. So this is the opportunity. But we can do those things in winter or a slower grow season and prepare us for that. So we are ahead of it. Clean up the beds, tidy up this, get everything organized. So guys, there's technically no excuse. Maybe one or two lightning, maybe snow. Even snow, I haven't stopped me. I've still come here when it was snowing to do some stuff. Wash some of the tops, plant some stuff. You know, if you have some stuff to plant, if you're in a warmer climate. But I'm getting cold, so I can't do that. Right now I'm preparing a bed. This has got a gooseberry and raspberry transplanted in here. And I'm gonna stick some strawberries in there as well. I'm doing stuff ready for that spring. So when the spring come up, this bed is done, it's ready to go. And you guys gonna say what it is. It might be a rant, but it's the truth. I love you guys. I have some stuff still to do. You see that log here? Look out for something, because I'm gonna use this for something. Don't worry about it. You guys can watch it soon. And this is the boy, Mr. Green Hands. Please don't forget to take care of yourself and go out there and take care of your garden for now and get you ready for spring. Are you ready? Please don't forget to take care of yourself. Give God thanks and the planet, because we just have to. It's our home, for crying out loud. See you guys next time.